One of the only things that stayed the same with this event from that time I was on the plane planning it to how the actual event went was the event center. I knew I wanted to have it at the Hive, and I had it at the Hive.
We're in the bad lighting. Yeah, oh wait, slightly better. Yeah, she's been very busy this morning doing lots of things, so I haven't gotten a chance to really talk to you. I know. But yeah, it's gonna be really good. Yeah.
Well, first off, thank you from literally the bottom of my heart for coming today. I'm not even just like excited, I'm just thrilled and so honored that you guys would come here and support my dream of hosting an event, and in return, I hope that this event in some way can support one of your dreams or your goals. This is funny, I started thinking about this event 6 months ago on a plane ride back from speaking at my first convention in Phoenix, Arizona, and I was on the plane back, on my phone, on the notes in my phone, Mom's sitting next to me, and I was like, I loved that convention for bloggers and businesswomen, and how can I bring this back to Knoxville on a smaller scale, but bring this inspiration and all the amazingness that I just had in Arizona, how can I bring that back to Knoxville? And so on the notes on my phone, I started planning out this event, and here we are. Don't know why I decided to do it 2 months before I leave for college, but here we are. And 2 weeks. Yeah, oh, did I say 2 months? 2 weeks, yes. Who knows what else I'm gonna say wrong. Okay.
So yes, the event went smoothly and amazing once it started, but I wanted to show you guys that it wasn't just all lattes and donuts and flowers. There was so much stress that went into it. It was one of the biggest stresses of my business yet, and I wanted to show you guys a more personal look into what actually went on with me in the event. You know, I don't want it to look like everything's perfect, because yes, it's awesome, but we've had problems. One of the biggest things is catering. I cannot get someone to sponsor the food. I've been sending out emails like crazy. I just got denied this morning on a sponsorship on a catering company that I really thought was gonna work. So it's a little sad. I wanted to tell you guys though that it's not all perfect, and yes, there were a lot of obstacles in my way. This has not been the only obstacle in my way so far. Because after the event, I was lost. I was like, why am I feeling like this? Why am I overtired? Why am I not feeling better about the event? And now I know why. Yes, it was amazing, and now looking back, and I think a week from now, even like farther down the line, I'm gonna look back and be like, wow, Hannah, I cannot believe you did that. Like, pulled off this event for real women, made it a success. Because it was a success. The event was a success. I just didn't feel like a success. And I think that's the biggest thing that shocked me, and it was because I was burnt out. So yes, I of course love and thank everyone for helping me the day of and the week before, and everyone who was able to, like, and Tucker, if you're listening, thank you for filming all the presentations and helping me with all the technical difficulties. And my mom, thank you for helping me set everything up and keeping me calm. And thank you to, if you came to the event, like, thank you so much for supporting me. I don't want you guys to think that I regretted any piece of it. It was all a learning experience, but now I just know I'm going to do things differently going forward, which is totally fine. But don't worry about me. After having a few days to rejuvenate and recoup after the event, I'm already feeling better and proud of this event. And so I wanted to celebrate some of the amazing times of putting this event together. The reason I got overwhelmed and the reason I got burnt out was because I wanted to do everything, because I loved it. This event was my baby and I was so excited for it, and still am, and I'm proud of it. So let me share some of the fun parts too. So guys, it's Thursday night, 2 days, less than 2 days, like pretty much basically 1 day till the event. I'm here driving with Mom, and we just got back from the Rachel Hollis Made for More like conference movie. Feeling super inspired from that, and I just got back from FedEx, and it's like 9:30 at night, but we picked up the little goodie bag sheets. So this is super exciting. It's like all coming together, which is, it's just crazy. So thank you to my lovely assistant for the week.
My pleasure.
Or for life, let's be honest. Assistant for life.
That's my job, is to be Hannah's assistant.
And
I love it.
We're so excited.
Because you can't fire me.
I can't fire you. Gotta protect the sponsorships. I love them. Oh, they look so good.
We have Juice Bar sponsor or bringing things, I guess.
And the event wasn't about making money. The event wasn't even about me. I was doing this in hopes that this would happen.
But we just had the most amazing time at that workshop. I'm just really excited to see what the future holds for me now, because I've had moments like this where I've felt really inspired, but this is probably the most I've felt probably since I started my YouTube channel. I am feeling rejuvenated and inspired and empowered by all those women who spoke, and I got to talk to some of them after it and during the little breaks, so I thought that was really cool that Hannah did had it broken up into different sections where you could go talk to the people between it or whatever. So good job, Hannah, thank you so much.
I wanted to do, a few little mixers, because I don't want this to just be a one-way street from us speaking to you guys. I know you all have already kind of talked and interacted, but a fun little exercise for this morning is just to turn to someone next to you. It can be someone you know for this first one, or maybe someone you don't know, and tell them something you are amazing at. So this could be anything, business-wise, life-wise. For example, I'm amazing at mentally responding to emails and messages and never really responding.
Thanks for hosting it. That was a good time.
You did a great job. We're so proud of you.
I had to be reminded that the reason for this event was just in case one woman walked away more motivated, more inspired, feeling better with their business or with their platform. And that's the reason I wanted to do this. I wanted to give back to my audience, give back to my city. And I think that that was achieved. So thank you to Bethany and Lacey for helping me. Thank you again to the amazing team behind it, friends and family team. And here's to many more. Maybe? You'll just have to find out.